What's up, everybody? Welcome to DFS by the Numbers. I just wanted to quickly go through my model and optimizer and show you guys what you're really getting into with this $5 a month, $1.25 per race. I'm going to be putting the link in the description. I know a lot of you guys have signed up. If you're still thinking about signing up, maybe this video will help you, see what you're getting into. So, first page here, you got the track history the last 2 years, the track history for the career, the track type history for the last 2 years. Practice 1, 2, and 3, and also I'm going to be adding current form once we get 5 races into the season. You get the key, you got the targets, you got the projections, and then here's the optimizer. The best thing about the optimizer is it is customizable. All you have to do is go to File, make a copy, and then it's yours. You can import FanDuel salaries if you do FanDuel. You don't do DraftKings. Import your FanDuel salaries. Import your drivers from FanDuel here. You can make your own projections, mess around, put your own projections in. You can use somebody else's projections, plug them in there. You can use my projections, plug them in there. Just a lot of things you can do. I usually like this optimizer to make like a cash lineup or a single lineup, or just to mess around and make different GPP lineups. But I'll just show you how to use it. So you go to Solver here. It's really easy. Usually doesn't take too long, but you press solve. It's click of the button. It'll now calculate the most optimal lineup using the projections you have in here. I do use this for cash. I used it for cash today for today's race, and it gave me Martin Truex Jr., Ryan Blaney, Denny Hamlin, Eric Jones, Ross Chastain, and Daniel Suarez. For a second, the lineup was like top 50, top 100 in my double-up contest, which is crazy. But Blaney crashed after lap 3, but still it was definitely top 25%. Cashed very easy with this lineup. Here it is over here, my optimal cash line: Truex, Blaney, Hamlin, Jones, Chastain, Suarez. Pretty easy to use it. I also have a video posted on my Patreon, like a 2-minute video on how to use it. It's very simple. Like I said, it's very customizable, color it whatever you want. It's pretty cool. But also with that $5, you of course get my rankings, my lineup percentages, and also access to Slack. But just wanted to show you guys that. I wanted to get this video out a couple days ago, but wasn't able to do it. So here it is. If you're thinking about signing up, hopefully this clarified some things and just shows you what you can get into for $5 a month. That's $1.25 per race. There's still 3 races to go this month. Definitely getting a lot of value. I feel like I bring a lot of value to the table on my Patreon. On some sites you don't get all this stuff. I mean, definitely put a lot of work into this, and yeah. So that's about it. Thank you guys for watching the video. The link will be in the description for the Patreon, and yeah. Good luck.